Hey guys, it's my boy Rick. He likes to spill stuff. Trying to French kiss my cat.